All right, guys, are we back? Let me see. I think I got it back up. Let me see. Man, it kicked off. Let me go back to it. Let me see. Are we back up? Man, I apologize, man. I do apologize, guys. Let me switch it out. Hold up. Let me close it. All right, can y'all guys see me? Can everybody see me? Hear me? Yeah, it kicked my OBS wound up crashing. Let me do a test run on is it working now?
JTraedz says.
Okay, that's working.
Test.
All right, we back, guys. We back, man. It wound up crashing on me, man. I don't know what the hell just happened. Like my OBS crashed on me. I am back though, guys. I am back. I'm back. I am back on the scene. All right, I got everything set back up. I think I got Instagram working now too. Alright, guys, let me know if y'all can hear me, if y'all can see me. I had to change over. Yeah, OBS crashed on me. Yeah, it wound up crashing on me. I think I got Instagram too working. I think I got that bad boy working. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, guys, Instagram, if y'all can hear me, show me some love, hit me up in the chat room, in the chat box. I think I got everything up and running now, man. Yeah, my OBS crashed on me, guys, so I had to restart it. Man. Like, I don't know what happened. Everything just crashed on me.
Matthew says. Test.
Are we good? Map, are we good? How we looking on Twitch? Is my Twitch running? If I need to restart Twitch, I'll restart it.
Says. Okay, force delay.
Are we good?
Matthew says. Good.
Okay, we good? Okay, appreciate you, boss. Appreciate you. Guys, for those who are my YouTube guys, I had to start a new one. I had to start a new YouTube, so I do apologize, man. Like, OBS crashed on me. OBS crashed. Oh, let me get the new YouTube thing up. My new chat box. I do apologize about that, too. Why today, man? Why today, man, all this has to happen? Why? On the last day. What, is my live stream up? Hold on. Did I open up the right one? Hold on, let me go back to the one it says. It's showing that's playing. Then my live is up. So why is it I don't see showing that my YouTube is on? Well, it keeps saying upcoming. I don't see that it's live. Is it live? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I got it. So now let me get the new chat box out. I got it.
Says. Test.
Yeah, I got it, guys. I got it. Let me put up the new chat box. Yeah, it kicked me off.
Matthew says. Twitch good boss.
Okay, appreciate you, boss. Appreciate you. Let me set up get back YouTube and Tradecaster. All right, guys, I'm back. Can't believe that shit just did that. Oh, like right. I only got about 30 minutes before I head out. The thing, like, it couldn't hold. All right, awesome. Somebody put it back. Let me get the pop out chat. I should be good for YouTube. Also, hit me up.
616.50, almost there.
All right. Also, hit me up in YouTube. I think I got it. Hit me up in YouTube, Queen. Make sure the messages are good. Man, your OBS crashed at the last minute. Plus let me close out the old which one was it? I think I had to close out the old box that I had. God dang it. Hold up. I got the new one right here. Pop out chat. Alright, cool. Let me do a test on YouTube, make sure it's good. Alright, let me do a test run real quick, Aussie. I think I got it. Alright, got it.
Test.
Alright, cool. Got it. I got it. I know I got about 30 minutes. That's crazy. 30 minutes before the market, in my live, I had to go through this crap. Seriously? Seriously, though? We got it back up and running, though. Like I said, ain't nothing gonna stop us. We here. Instagram, hit me up as well, too, guys. Let me see if I can get y'all messages. I want to make sure y'all good to go, too. For my Instagram members. Hit me up with a message to make sure y'all good to go. I only got about 30 minutes. Man, messed up my whole damn stream. Right now, guys, we still got SPY pushing, guys. SPY still pushing. Remember, next key level is going to be 16. Look for that 1650. 1650. Right now, we still pushing, guys. Still on this uptrend. Going on right now, 12 o'clock. What the hell just happened? 12 o'clock. I'm not 12 o'clock. I'm sorry, 12:30. Still on that continuation uptrend. Right here. So right now, next level, guys. Watch that level. 1650. We get that break. Next level is going up too. It's going to be aiming for that 618. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Trend line is still holding. 9 MA is still holding. Maybe trying to go for that possible squeeze.
37 cents.
Boss, what's up, Scalper? Oh, this is my guy. What's up, boss? Any trades today? Right now, uptrend is still holding. I know it's a lot of push who's trying to kill SPY right now. But the guys, let it run. Let it go towards those high areas. Let it push. Don't try to guess your way through it. Just, if anything, go with the momentum. Go with the momentum. Because the areas that look like we could, where resistance may be lying at, is going to be around 620. Let's see how close we get to 620. Because right now, where we at right now? 1650. About 50 cents away from 670. 617. Lord, these numbers. 617. I ain't have time to get a TikTok stream key. I wasn't doing all that today. Bump that. I'm tired.
As I said, 618 to 20 would be dream today for.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. But if anything, boss, if you want to just ride the momentum up, you know, we can make a little bit of cash on the upside. I mean, ride that until we possibly hit that level. So right now, as of now, we done moved up towards a new area around close to 1650. So we broke past 1550, created a new high towards 1650. So let's see. Look like we just keep creating new highs after new highs after new highs. So keep that on watch.
Matthew says,
still creating.
I don't trust bulls now.
I mean, we all overextended. Don't get me wrong. We all overextended off that VWAP because the VWAP is all the way towards 615. I mean, that VWAP is all the way to the bottom. I mean, I see what you're talking about. Let me see. Matter of fact, I might need to change my contract towards next week to be safe. to be safe, because I want to be safe with my, you know. So where we at right now? 16C. So I'm trying to figure out an actual price point, because I'm gonna push it for maybe Monday, because I know if I try to push it for next 4 hours, it's gonna be too expensive. Because the next week that'll be what, July 4th? Oh damn, no. Matter of fact, no, because that'd be a holiday, so we're not gonna even. Oh, so matter of fact, guys, next week, July 4th it's gonna be. So we're gonna have a 4-day trading week. Yeah, because the holidays is Friday next week. So that's not gonna be. Yeah, so yep, next Friday's gonna be done. That's gonna be a holiday. July 4th. I forgot. I wasn't even thinking about that. July 4th. Yeah, I forgot all about that. So we're gonna 9 times out of 10 we're gonna have a 4-day trading week. So, so let me see. What I could so I'm gonna have to add on 616 ish. I'm gonna try to stay as close to as I can. Oh, my aunt is calling me, guys. Hold up. God damn, everybody calling me. Hold on, guys. Let me call my aunt. Yes, ma'am. Alright guys, I'm back. Here's the little sick one. Tell everybody, hey boy.
Hi.
No, up here. Look at the camera. See your face?
Hi.
Tell everybody, hey.
Hi.
Peace.
Peace.
Alright.
I
I know, I'm gonna call it. Go ahead. Go in the room. I'm almost finished, okay? Love you, man. Alright, love you. Peace. Close the door, man. See what I gotta deal with? Love my kids though, man. Love them. That's why I do, that's why I work. I close the door, big boy. That's okay. Love you. Alright, man.
Ingrid Aussie chick says.
Yeah, I mean, even when I, and thank you so much, Austin. Even when I just held him, it feel like he's still burning up. Like he's still hot. Like I don't know what's going on. Cause I don't know if it's maybe from that allergic reaction. Cause he been getting bit by mosquitoes, and I mean, it's just like his temperature just been through the roof right now. It's like that little boy, man. Always going through something. My poor baby, always going through something, man. Jesus, take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. So let me see. I'm trying to fix my my Instagram. Damn, I gotta fix that one too. I got set up on this. Oh crap! Let me not touch it because it keeps freezing my. See what it's doing. I think it's running off of too many things. That's why it's doing it. I think that's why it's freezing. I might have to do that after. No, I'm not gonna touch it because I just saw it freeze up for like a few seconds. As soon as I touch that vertical, what you call it? Nah, because I think it can't handle too much that output. That OBS, I don't think it can handle it. Because the minute I touch that watch, let me see if it's gonna do it. If it's gonna pause. Nah, I didn't pause this time. So right now, guys, still uptrending. Still, I mean, it's just still. I mean, you gotta respect the movement. I mean, you got to. You gotta respect that movement. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's crazy. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're getting overextended, but that volatility is still pushing. Volatility is still pushing. I'm trying to figure out prices around it. Like, man. It's hard to try to judge this. I mean, that's why I'm putting out all my contracts just to kind of figure out. But that's why I'm making contract after contract after contract. I mean, just trying to figure out exactly which one to use. Like, man, jeez Louise. I might have to actually push all the way out to the 18th just to be on the safe side too. All I'm doing, guys, is making a watch list. So I'm not jumping to anything. I'm just making a watch list. That's all I'm doing. So I'm trying to debate. Long as, like I said, as long as I keep pushing, because I'm trying to judge. I'm gonna put the 22. All I'm doing is putting all my contracts together, just to figure out which one to use. You know, depending on where we start to turn at. Okay, and let me show y'all a little trick I use too. I mean, it's no secret. Okay, this is what I do. You know, for those who may not do it, because I mean, especially I know Austin was talking about, you know, having a hard time with understanding contracts and all that. And Meth, this is my thing I do. This is what I do as far as my watch list. I'm gonna tell you what I do. Let me make a duplicate copy and screenshot it. All right, cool. All right, so this is what I do. Okay, I'll have a watch list set for calls and I'll have a watch list set for puts. So I'll line all my stuff up depending on where the price is, where we at. So depending on where we at, all I do is add my contracts to it. So, you know, like around, you know, right now we're around 16. I went around 16 level, and also I got one set for 20. So all I'm doing is just having my contracts lined up and set and ready to see on exactly what the tops is going to be, which ones I can initiate and use. And I do have it set out. I did push it out for the 3rd instead of the 27th. So I did push it out a little bit. So I'm keeping it on watch. But yeah, this is how I set my little watch list up when it comes down to my contracts, when it comes down to calls, and it comes down to puts. And I have it set up by strikes. I have my little arrow set up by strikes, so it goes from the highest to the lowest. So that's how I have it set up. And you know, that's how I keep it organized and I keep it neat and easy to utilize, to function. So whichever one I click on, it'll automatically change my chart over here. So, but I have it set up just like perfectly.
Nice.
Yeah, so what I do is, once I have my watch list set up, I'll take a picture of my charts. I mean, people have seen the charts before. Go to new. So once I have my watch list set up, I'll have my chart set up on how I trade. So I'll have this set down here, see it, and I have it right here. So you guys can see it, but I can see the chart on my side. So this side is for calls, this side is for puts. I'll watch my pattern setups, even on these bad boys, and that's how I execute on it. So I have one side for calls, one side for puts, even on my active ladder on both sides, depending on which one I go for. So instead of having to, flip the active ladder from calls, then flip it over to puts, bump that crap. I split it down the middle and have it side by side. Man, Ingrid, thank you so much for the. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. God bless you. But yeah, this is like the easy way to make it easy for yourself, because versus just using one side where you have to flip the chart back and forth. Don't do that crap. So what I'll do is I will have one side set for puts and I'll have my codes. I'll have my yellow set for puts. I'll have my red set for calls. After I do that,
LOL found another white.
Oh man, Ingrid, thanks, man. Thank you. You know what? One-on-ones for life. Cause you always put, man, 1-on-1 for life, man. I that's straight up. I gotta show love. I got to. Now, next thing I do is, again, so instead of having to go through that headache of switching my charts back and forth, what I do is, all I do is color code, you know, my different watch lists. I have one for calls, which you can see in red, and I have one for yellow, which is for puts. So all I can do is click on one of these prices, and it'll automatically change my ladder. So I don't have to go through all that headache. So all I do is create a watch list, gather all my contracts in one thing. So once I do that, and I can show y'all, for example, I'll make a duplicate copy to show y'all the proof. So let me make a duplicate copy of my watch list. Do I have it set for 2 or 1? I think I have it set for 1. I'm gonna do 1 apiece, where I can show y'all. So I'm gonna have 1 set for calls, and I'm gonna have 1 set for puts. So whenever I do make a decision to trade.
Yo, what up, gang?
What's up, boss? Thank you so much for joining me, man. Have a blessed one, boss. Appreciate you. So right here. So this is why I have my watch list. So whichever trade I want to make, whether it's on the long side or the short side, I have it set up like this, right? So okay, if I want to go for a call, all I do is click it. All I do is click this. I click 13 strike, bam, that changes. I go for a put. If I want to go for like a 620 strike, it was already 620. If I want to go for 616, I click it, bam. Changes where I don't have to do nothing else. All the work is done because I already powered all my contracts together. I got my strike prices in order. I got everything neat. All I got to do now is click of a button. That's it. That changes. Do my trade. Done. That's it. I'm making this easy for myself because I used to have a headache trying to drag it over, change the numbers, change the tick. I was done with that. I had to figure out a way to make it easy. So I created a watch list for calls. I created a watch list for puts. All I got to do is click whichever side I want to go for. Click it. Changes on my active ladder. Go for my trade, done. That's it. I make it about as easy for myself as possible. But Eric, what's up, boss? Eric, I'm out, man. Thank you so much for joining me, man. Have a blessed one. I hope you and your family have a blessed weekend too. Ooh, I dropped my mic. I hope you and your family have a blessed weekend. Friday is just not my day. I swear, today's acting like Friday the 13th. It's Friday the 27th. It's acting like Friday the 13th right now for some apparent reason. Why? I don't know. So right now, guys, we starting to get a little curl underneath what price point? 1650. So we started to get another little top right here. Starting to get a little top. So if this is the initial actual setup for a downtrend, well, again, we have to look again. It's all based on confirmation. From this level, we have to take that top, get a pullback, get rejected underneath that 515 650 level on down. 514, because we want to start to see lower high bills. So we already got this one. We want to start to see a lower high. We want to start getting rejected underneath 1550. Then from that point, we want to start getting rejected underneath 1450. We want to start to see that nice transition from buyers to sellers. So could this be the initial start? Could this be it? Could SPY actually start getting tired now and start to pull? So right now we can start to get that confirmation. Let's see. So if it's doing what I think it may be doing, because it looks like the indicators are starting to weaken too, right around 1650, because we have yet to break above that. So could this be the start of the actual turnover? We're gonna take that price point. Now we want to see a fall and get below 1550. That'll create that second lower high. That'll start this. From that level, we want to fall back down, which will put us underneath the VWAP. Down towards 1450. That'll be down these bottoms.
Hear him out, says. LMAOOO, I feel you, bro.
Man, what's been up though, boss? What's been going on, man? Man, Friday hitting, man. We got 4th of July coming up next week, man. I can't wait because I'm going to be eating and drinking and just, boy, what? You already know what time it is. Boss. You already know what time it is. So, yeah, guys, I got about... And I'm sorry that the damn stream had to crash and I had to restart it for like 30 minutes, which is bull crap. But I got about 14 minutes, guys, before I do head on out, and I do apologize for everything crashing. And that's crazy that the last 30 minutes, streaming everything was working fine. It's like the OBS can't handle all the other streaming platforms. Cause watch, I'll show y'all for example. Look, and it's still here go YouTube again. See that? When it's running on too many platforms, see, I got one for Instagram, and I got an Instagram and TikTok, and I got my main one. And look what, look what it's doing. It can't handle all the damn, look. Now I started to get an error again. See what I mean? Now y'all see what I go through? It's not me doing it. It's the OBS keeps just... It's not me. So let's see, guys. But right now, hopefully this damn thing can work. I mean, fix itself. Because it's showing an error. How we look on YouTube, though, guys? We still look good on YouTube, Ingrid? Because I know I'm getting an error. Is it anything happening or anything wrong? Because it's like the OBS. I don't know. It's just like the... I don't know. Yeah, so let me know if everything's still good on you guys' side, man, from Twitch. And all right, now we're back excellent. So now we're back excellent. See what I mean? Look.
Assembler says, all good here.
Okay, so now we're back. Look, now we're back excellent. It went back excellent. See that? And now I see, but see what I mean? I got like this. I got like 2 different platforms. Like I have the main one that has all of my main stuff, Twitch, YouTube, and all that. And then I have a vertical one, which is right here, that I have to primarily use for Instagram and TikTok. So I gotta use different platforms. Now people see why I stress out. Now you see why I go crazy. Got all these different platforms that just drive me freaking nuts. All right, we starting to curl a little bit, guys. Starting to curl. So could that be? Matter of fact, let me do away with Tesla real quick. I want to see it. I want to see the put standpoint from SPY to see if that's setting up for that possible transition. Let me see it from a put standpoint. Let's see if that's giving us that confirmation. So let's go back from a put standpoint. So those tops are puts bottoms, and that is a round. So could we start the transition now? So let me put a price point that was around 1650, correct? Oh man, it kicked off my thing. I had to put all this back to my normal thing. God dang it! It must have kicked off my my natural settings. Stupid thing. Alright. Save as default. Thank you. Alright. So let's see. So yep. Look like we starting up. Yep. Look, they're doing the opposite of one another. Look. They're doing the opposite. So that means that we're pulling back down towards that 1550. So I'm trying to utilize the same price points to help us out on this. I'm trying to utilize it. I gotta fix this damn thing because it messed me all up. It's like, why today though? Everything just not working properly. Like, come on, man. It's like none of my stuff want to work properly. Show price. Yes, show price to the right. Yeah, I mean it knocked off all my original settings. Thank you. Alright, so we starting to get that. Oh, so are we about to start it? Is this gonna be the actual spot, guys? Is this it? Is this it? What did I have? 15? I might let's see. I think my 16 one got a little too expensive though. Damn, I think it did. Damn it. Because the bottoms on that one, it was, what was the lows on that 16 one I liked? Damn it. So I had to move to 16. I mean 15. Would I have date? Oh shit, I gotta move my date anyway. Oh, that's why. I had to switch my, I forgot to switch my contract on the 15, 6/15 to the 30th. That's why too. I forgot to switch that. Let me switch that over real quick. I'll add it. Just in case. Because I want to have some breathing room. Just in case. I want to have breathing room. So, we'll see. Got about 9 minutes, guys. 9 minutes. I'm trying to get everything set up before I head on out on, what to look out for. Okay. So, guys, before I head on out, what do you want to go over, or what specific stocks y'all want to go over before I head out? What specific stocks besides SPY and Tesla that we just went over? What other ones in general that you guys want to go over real quick? So right now we watching SPY. SPY still in this range, between 1650 and 1650. So we're still in this little dot. We're still in this range here. Still in this little range. See, if we want to get that, if we want to start to get that transition, we want to crack underneath that bad boy, because I want to start to see them lower highs build. I want to start to see those lower high build to see if this is going to really start to turn. Okay. Coin, got you. Coin. All right, let me go to coin real quick before I head on out, because I do have to tend to him, and he's sick. I do have to tend to him, man, so I can't. Because I wanted to extend it, but I have him. So I do have him. I got to make sure he's okay. What about coin, boss? Long side, short side? Short side, you're underneath that 360. Yeah, underneath 360. So, look like you started creating an arc. Look like you're slowly creating an arc back down towards these levels here. But 360 for sure is resistance. Look like a downtrend setup overall. Yeah, look. NS, look at the overall setup. Look. You got a downtrend setup on this bad boy. Already, look. From that 380. Roughly around 380-ish. We're from 375 on down. Because the way it look like it moved by 20s. So it look like from 380 down to 360s. Next level would be 340. The way that it look like this coin moves. Look like it moved by damn near $20 increments. From 380, 360. Possible next level is going to be 340. Especially if you stand underneath that. It look like you're starting to arc. Look like you're starting to arc. So again, if we stay underneath that as long as we stay underneath 360, you do have room to pull back down towards that 355 to 350 level, where we can come back down to these bottoms for that possible like cup-like pattern. So, I mean, the way this is setting up, it does look like we can still keep pulling back, especially down towards 350 to start off with. From 360 to 350, that's a $10 pullback. We crack 350 down to 340, that's an additional 10, giving you a $20 pullback from 360 to 340. So, let's do this. Let's see what I can do real quick. Because I know I already got my line. So you already knew I had that planned in my head. So I already had a line before I even put it. So 360 to 340 with a mid area of 350. And we are on that downtrend setup. So that's what it looked like, NS. So right now, it look like we're in the back of this range. Because you're underneath 360, that's back now being resistance. So as long as you stay underneath that price point, you do have room to fall right back down to that 350 midpoint area. From that area on down to 340. So so you're in a downtrend setup. So you're definitely on a downtrend setup at this time. SPY, I'm trying to see if it's about to set up for that transition. You know, going from an uptrend to a downtrend now. When you're going from buyers to now sellers. So it looks like you got consecutive red candles setting up. And you have fell below that 9 EMA. And that 20. So it looks like we may start to curl. We may be setting up, guys. Possibility. That bad boy may be setting up to soon start to curl. And start to transition from an uptrend to a downtrend. Possibility. So before I head on out, watch again the range that we are in at this time on SPY is going to be around 615.50 bottoms and 616.50 tops with the mid area 616 itself. So right now we're in this range here. We're in this range because we are holding above that old resistance level, which is around. Wait. Could it make back in an inverted cup and handle pattern? And well, like they said, head and shoulders too. But I do see it like a little cup. I do see a cup right here and a handle. Ooh, is that setting up what I think it's doing? Doing what I think it's doing? It may make a little inverted cup and handle pattern, possibly. And I also see a head and shoulders too. Especially once we fall back underneath that 1550. Because that'll be that right shoulder. Because you got a left shoulder here. Your head is up here around 1650. And if we fall back underneath 1550, that'll be that right shoulder on down. It does look a little. I can see like damn near two different patterns on that. I see a little mini cup and handle pattern, which is around 1650 down to 1550 right here in this level. You can see a cup right here, and you can see a handle.
Where is the HNS?
Right here. You have a shoulder right here. Look, I'll draw it out. I'll draw it out real quick, boss. Look, hold up. Let me draw it out real quick. So you have this. You have a right shoulder here. That's going to be around 1550. Then you have the head up here, which is around 1650. And if we crack back below, pull back down towards, the 14 to 15 level, that bounce, that can turn into a right shoulder. Because you'll be right back underneath that for a possible. Now you see it. That can give you that nice downtrend. Now you see it, NS? That possibility. Because you already got one shoulder here. Because we have to fall back underneath 1550. Because we already got the head right around 1650. So we need that nice pullback underneath 1550 down to 14. Where we can get that 14 bounce. Back into 15 rejection. And then get that sell off. So you also make somewhat of a, like I said, you'll have a head and shoulders pattern right here. Head and shoulders pattern. and fall right underneath that price point here, 14, back on down to that old previous high of 613. I can see that. I can see that. I can definitely see that set up. We just got to crack below that price point, because that'll help, because that'll be that shoulder. It didn't look like a damn. Hold up. Let me see. Let me go back even a little bit further. Or could that be the shoulder? Wait, let me see. Or could this actually be the big shoulder underneath this? And now this, wait. Hold up. I see like two head and shoulders in one. Because I see one here. Shoulder, head, and then back underneath shoulder. Then I see this big massive one right here. They have a big shoulder, head still at the same price point. Then butt underneath 1450. See, I see one here. Head, and then back underneath. And then I see one. I see a mini one. I see a mini one. I see two of them. I see two of them, man. I see two of them bad boys. If we especially start get that pullback, I see it. I see the mini one here that we just went over, which is here, and here. I see that.
That's why I asked you.
Yeah, I see head. I see head and shoulder, the mini one, and then I see a bigger one down this way, which is right here underneath that 1450. I see that bigger head and shoulders pattern back down. Damn, I see a whoa, and that still lead. And the thing about it, the top's still at the same exact area, 1650, same exact area. Even if you look at it from the smaller one, the bigger one, the tops is still the same, 1650. So in other words, as long as you hold 1650, that's gonna be the main thing. That's 1650. That can help out. So that's gonna be the main area that you need to hold, because that can help both setups, the mini head and shoulders pattern and the big head and shoulders pattern, that could possibly form. Because once you get that hard rejection underneath that, fall back underneath 1550, on down to these bottoms you go, which would be here. And then from that level, which is 1450, on down to this level. So yeah, buddy. So I see head and shoulders big, the big one here. And then I see a mini one here. And I see somewhat of a little cupped. Man, god dang, I see like so many patterns. I see like so many patterns. But we just got to get that confirmation. Well, I mean, we already got one as of now, 1650. That's one. Next level that we want to take out or see is going to be 1550, because you want to turn that back into resistance. Because you want to see a higher low build. I mean, I'm sorry, a lower high build. From this one here, you want to see the next one here, then the next one here. Because you want to see that transition. You want to see that downtrend. You want to go from an uptrend to a downtrend. So right now, this could be the starter, 1650, because we're underneath it. As long as we stay underneath that level, sellers can come in. We'll take out 1550 from that level, because you can see right here the range that we were in before. So from 1550, you came down to what? 1450, right? So that's why we need to come back down into this range, where we can fall right back in this range for that possible sell-off back this way. So in other words, this is what we need to do. This is what we need to do overall. We just need to fall back in this channel, fall back in this range. Because see, think of it as the channel breakout between 14 and 15 level here. This is a channel breakout. So if we want to see downside, what we need to do is fall back in that channel, because we want to turn that 1550 back into resistance. So instead of going up, we want to come back down. So we want to fall back in this range to start off with, because therefore you turn 1550 back into resistance, because you're underneath it. So from that level, now you'll pull your way back down to 1450. But keep in mind is that's going to possibly hold up as support until we crack it, because again, that used to be resistance until we broke above it. So you can see right here, pre-market, we fell underneath it, broke above it, turning resistance into support, which is why buyers are utilizing that price point. So what we need to do now is, once we crack this way, take out 1450, where we can have room to pull back down to these bottoms right around that open, and that old higher day, that all-time high that we had before, which was around 613.23. Which again, if we can get that nice sell-off, we should be hitting all these levels. Once from that 1650, along with that hold, we should be taking out 1550, 1450.
So next week my bears will step up.
It's a possibility, especially on that, because you got overextension. Oh, and another thing. Oh, this 1 o'clock. Oh, hold up. I figured something else out. Hold up. Let's see something. Hold on. I figured something else out before I head out. Wait. I forgot about that 1 o'clock candle. It almost slipped my mind. Hold up. That could help. God dang it. Everybody hit me up. God dang it. Guys, I gotta soon head on out, man, because everybody.
13 says. Hot. Liaji 13
Okay.
says. It's working, yay.
Okay, so watch, guys. Right, watch this level. I forgot about that. Watch where that camera close is at. That camera close today. That was at close was at roughly 1660, because it was 615.97. So if you round it to 1660. So if we can fall or stay underneath that candle's close, we could possibly see a green or red move back down this way. At least as long as we hold underneath that candle's close here, we could possibly get that pull back down, see a possible green or red move. So keep that on mind too. So 1660 look like 616 look like that can start off everything. So that look like that could be the initiator. Point blank. 616 look like that can be the initiator. Well, that can be the reversal for this candle here, and also here, which it look like it looks. See what I mean? Bam! And it look like come back. I guess he was right. It's doing it. It's doing it. It's doing it. I told y'all. I told y'all. Mini come handle. Bam! The head. Possible shoulder fall back underneath that. Told you. Hold on, guys. My aunt Peggy. My aunt is here. Damn, my aunt is here. God dang it. Hold on, guys. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, everybody, my mom and them was outside, guys. So I gotta head on out, man. I hate to leave you guys, man, but let me go ahead and shut it down on all platforms. Keep that in mind, guys. So if we want to see that continuation sell-off, again, from 1650 down to 1616. Now the next key level that we need to crack.
Dad.
Yeah, I know, babe. My money outside, princess. Hit me up on my phone, okay? Oh,
Shout me out.
I got you. I got you. I'm gonna shout you out. Let me give a shout out to my daughter and my son. Let me give a shout out to my daughter for sure, because she came on through here. To Leah. Leah, love you so much, Queen.
Lexi Blossom says.
I got you, Queen. I got you.
Okay.
I got you. Okay, I got you. Calm down. Slow down. So let me give a shout out to my daughter, guys. Anna Leah. That's the one I named after the singer Aaliyah. Rest in peace. So shout out to my daughter, Queen, Princess. Thank you so much for coming through. Daddy loves you. And I'm always going to support you. I'm so proud of you. And I know you're going to do well in life. And always going to continue to keep pushing. I'm always going to have you back 110%. So thank you. Lord, I gotta turn this off because it's gonna keep going off. I'm gonna have to shut up. I'm gonna have to stop it. But yeah, guys. But yeah, I'm about to be heading on out, man. So let me give a shout out to everybody. Let me go ahead and do this real quick because the day outside calling me.
Lexi says.
Mwah. Love you, mommy. Love you, my princess, my beautiful princess. Love you, mama.
Lexi Blossom says. No.
All right. So let me give a shout out to everybody.
Ingrid Semler says. Have a blessed day.
Ingrid, you too, Queen. So let me give a shout out to God. Everybody hit me up, man. I'm all over the place. God dang it, y'all. I'm gonna go crazy. Everybody hit me up all over the place. All right, let me give a shout out to my mods, man. Mods, thank y'all so much for joining me, man. On all platforms, on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, Tradecaster. Thank y'all so much for always having my back, support me, and thank y'all so much, man.
Bye, Daddy. See you Monday.
Man, y'all stay blessed, man. Stay safe. All right, man. Let's get ready to rock and roll, man. I gotta go because they outside, man. Let me put up my little weekend thing so I get everybody a shout out. Where's my weekend thing? So I can tell everybody have a blessed weekend. Where's that? Where's my little weekend thing? Weekend. Where's it at? Yeah, I got so many things up, man. I do apologize. I'm getting hit all over the place, man. There we go. I got it. All right. Weekend. Where is it at? Oh, here we go. Bam. Got it. Let's go. So, guys, I'm about to be heading on out because my mom and them was outside. I do have to rush. I do apologize. So, guys, I hope everybody have a blessed and safe weekend. I will be back in on Monday, normal times. You already know, set schedule, 9 o'clock to 1, that's Eastern, 8 to 12, that's Central. So, I will be back normal times. And don't forget, next week, we will be having a 4-day trading week because Friday will be 4th of July. Don't forget about that. So, keep your eyes peeled, guys, on the setup. Still in that range on SPY between 615.50 and 616.50. We are still in that range. If we want to see downside, crack that 615.50 on down to that 614.50, and we can start to see that build up going from an uptrend now to a downtrend. Keep that in mind. Other than that, guys, man, stay blessed, stay safe. Thank y'all so much for joining me. And again, if y'all new to my YouTube, man,
THX, and have a great weekend, guys.
You too, princess. You too, man. Y'all too, man. Everybody, man. Everybody hit me up at the same time.
Woo!
And again, one more time, if y'all new to my channel, man, please do your boy a favor, smash that sub button. We are on that road to 1K subs, man. 40 more subs away from getting hitting that 1K mark where we can start getting monetized for these videos. So, man, please do your boy a favor. Smash that sub button on my YouTube. If you're already sub, like, share, comment. If you're on Twitch, follow, subscribe to avoid the ads, which is not my fault. That is Twitch's rules. Just saying. Other than that, guys, about to be heading on out. Man, you guys stay blessed. You guys stay safe. And we'll knock it out for Money Mondays. So, y'all already know what I'm about to say before I head on out.
You too, Lexi.
Man, you too, Queen, man. All of y'all, man. So, y'all already know what I'm about to say before I head on out. Maximize your reward. Minimize your risk. Always put grateful over greed, and you will succeed every single time. So, till then, guys, have a blessed weekend. And we'll make that money going into next week and see what the market has to offer. Love y'all, man. Peace!